Get great tasting water anywhere with Brita filtered water bottle filter replacements. Switch to Brita and you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic bottles a year. Reduce chlorine, taste and odor, and more found in tap water with every sip. Replace your water bottle filter after 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months and enjoy great tasting, filtered water in minutes. It's the convenient way to stay hydrated at home or on the go. BPA-free water filter is compatible with all Brita filtering water bottles, 16.9 ounces water bottle. See certifications. Brita water filter bottle replacement filters fit all Brita hard-sided and sport water bottles. These filters are BPA-free and help reduce chlorine taste and odor commonly found in tap water to deliver great tasting water every time. One filter can replace 300 standard 16.9-ounce plastic bottles, resulting in less money spent and less plastic waste. For optimum performance, filter should be replaced every 40 gallons or every 2 months, whichever comes first. Use Brita for better water, a better world, and better value. Top reviews from the United States. Odd thing to review. Quite literally one of the oddest things I've decided to review, considering just how everyday it is. It would be like going to the market to review the water you buy. It's also such a niche thing to review too, given that it's a specific filter for a specific kind of water bottle that not many people particularly have. It does what it does and that's that.